How to fix Isdone.Dll. An error occurred when unpacking Unarc.Dll returned an error code 1 Isdone.Dll. The first things first is we're going to our Windows search right here. Click on that and then type in CMD. Now you'll have to right click on your command prompt and click on run as an administrator and just simply click on yes. Now from here, all you have to do is to perform a scan. To do so, just type in sfc space forward slash scan now. Now once you hit enter, you can go ahead and run this scanning right here while performing the second troubleshooting step. So let's just close it first. Now second troubleshooting step is go back to your Windows search and type in advanced system settings. So view advanced system settings. Click on that. Now from here, you'll have to make sure you'll be routed to your system properties and on the field, you make sure that you're currently on advanced right here. Now once you're on advanced, click on settings and then from here, click on advanced again. Now here, click on change and then this is already ticked for set as default. Now all I have to do is untick it, then click on customize size or custom size. Now for your initial size, the first field is gonna be 100 and then your maximum size is gonna be 35,000. Now all you have to do is click on set and then okay on everything. And then once you do all those troubleshooting steps, you'll have to restart your PC or laptop, and that's how you fix that.